Hello friends, welcome to TBG's Women's Zone. Today's topic revolves around makeup addiction. Do you feel ugly or uncomfortable to carry out yourself without makeup? Are you so concerned and keen on knowing about the latest beauty products? If the answer is yes, then continue watching this video and find out other aspects of makeup addiction. Here I have a list of questions to find out how addicted one can get. Let's roll on to that. 1. Hoarding huge cosmetics. The first thing of addiction is you start to collect many cosmetic products. It's not only about collecting new ones, but you just can't seem to part with your existing stash. You will have no reason for keeping the outdated makeup products that is taking up your space. If you find yourself to be addicted to makeup products, then make yourself to get rid of the old makeup products and make room for new one. 2. High with makeup. The next addiction sign is you'll be high with makeup. We know that shopping is fun, but when it crosses your purchase limit or hide from others as it is going to give you hell about it, then it means you are highly addicted to makeup. Though it is a great feeling to get something new, don't make it your sole source of happiness. 3. Repetitive products. Do you own multiples of same makeup products? If you find 20 MAC lipsticks, 10 top eyeshadows and 8 lengthening mascaras in your vanity, then it means you are addicted to makeup. If you are not a makeup artist and does not require all the different shades, then get rid of the shades that you have never used or avoid buying them until you finish it off. 4. All-time makeup. This is one of the important points to find out whether you are addicted to makeup or not. If you can't go out without wearing makeup, then it means you are a makeup addict. If you feel to wear full face makeup to go to the gym or just stepping for a mailbox, then you are seriously addicted. Give your face a natural breathe and try to go out with your natural look. 5. Dress up over time. Trying out a different makeup look like tricky eye look or trouble in nailing contouring, then it is understandable, but makeup addicts take longer time just to make themselves look perfect, which is not a healthy practice. We humans are beautiful naturally, and your makeup should help to enhance your beauty and look unique rather than covering your natural beauty. 6. Madness to makeup. A pure sign of makeup junkie is when you spend all your time in reading, watching and learning about makeup. Beauty products and cosmetics can play a big role in one's life, but don't let it stop living your real life. Make makeup indulge on your special occasion and not let it ruin your life. 7. Room radar. Another typical sign showing your addiction to makeup is when you have a dedicated space for your beauty products in your room. Do you have different drawers to store your body lotions and makeup products? Do you have boxes of unused cosmetic items in your cupboard? There's nothing wrong having makeup products in your room, but having a separate space to bring your products is something unusual, and you might need to go for a makeup diet. Being a makeup addict can be a fancy label, and we can be proud of it, but there is something dark side to it. We all know about the famous saying by Chris Jammy, an overindulgence of anything, even something as pure as water, can intoxicate, which is very true. So take makeup in a lighter part and be slight to moderate makeup addiction. Thank you for watching this video. Comment below your favorite makeup product. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and do like and subscribe for more such videos. And don't forget to click on the bell button.